Ocean Networks Canada is embarking on a 21-day expedition aboard the exploration vessel Nautilus, marking the 8th year of partnership between ONC and Ocean Exploration Trust. Tune in to the ONC Abyss Summer 2024 expedition from June 6 to June 26, as the team conducts maintenance and scientific research at 5 sites within ONC's underwater cabled observatory, Neptune, located off the west coast of Vancouver Island. Ocean enthusiasts all over the world are invited to explore the aftermath of the earthquake swarm that occurred in March at the Endeavour site and revisit the Clayoquot Slope whale fall. ROV dives and operations will be streamed live 24/7 through cameras mounted on the ROVs Hercules and Atalanta. Connect directly with the ONC NOET at Sea team by submitting questions on nautiluslive.org, through Ship-to-Shore programs, and on social media.